Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to follow us on social media and also to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how we saved over $5,000 on our barn. So guys, when I bid out the foundation, I asked for two different quotes. One to include absolutely everything, and another to include only the cement work itself. Two bids came back that would only take the entire job, but one did offer two separate prices. And I found that I could save $3,000 by doing some work to include leveling the pad myself and then forming and lining it myself, which is the option we elected. But before we could do all that, I had to know how much barn we actually needed. I knew what the basic functional requirements were, so I put together a simple layout and power plan. Our requirements were to get our kids a small space of their own and to get the trailer out of the weather with a space for necessary appliances. After that, my project management OCD kicked in and a full plumbing, drainage, and electrical plan somehow made its way into the document. That's my 8-year-old daughter Amelia running the front loader. I will say that homeschooling took a bit of a backseat this summer, but the skills those two kids learned, well worth any trade-offs. We decided on a 4-inch slab that was 28 by 30 foot. We were going to also add a 10-foot lean-to. If you're pouring your own foundation, it's critical to put down some sort of a moisture barrier. We used a thick plastic liner. With that one, your cement will start to sweat after rain and your structure will fill with humidity. It'll be miserable. Another thing you'll notice is that we didn't use any rebar. Instead, we used fiberglass to reinforce the cement. It was cheaper and actually a superior product in my opinion. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them below.